Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. So, what will we discuss today? Okay, just I will let you know. We will discuss rapid fire round 3. Okay, so we have completed our rapid fire 2 rounds successfully, and I have a list of rapid fire who already passed rapid fire round 2. Ananya, Anushka, Krishti, Atharv, Shrey, Harshit, Ayush, Divyans, Sumit, Yasraj. Only 10 students pass round 2. I think it was 11 student. Okay, Divyans Tripathi also. So 11 students passed round 2. Okay, round 2. So you are entered in round 3. You are entered for round 3. Now we have 9 students for round 3. Okay, 2 students are absent. So 2 students are absent, 3 students are absent. Okay, so we today 8 students present for round 3 who are already passed. So actually just we will discuss round 3. We have some slips. Okay, we have some slips, some sticky notes just already written rapid fire round 3, and each slip has one question. So you have to come one by one and you have to choose a single slip, and what is the question in that slip, so you have to answer. Okay, you have to answer one by one. So I will call your name one by one. You have to choose this sticky note slip one, any one slip you can choose, and you will have to answer. Okay, one by one I will call. Okay, first I will call Ananya, Anushka. Okay, both are absent. First I will call Krishti. Krishti, please come here. Clapping for Krishti. So Krishti, you have to choose in these slips. Okay, you have to choose only one slip. So you can choose.
I will choose 7.
Okay, 7th. And what's your question in 7 number slip?
It's a please let me know about your tuition teacher.
Okay, it's a very good question. Please let me know about your tuition teacher. Okay, you can sit here and you have to answer. If I am satisfied with your answer, so you will be passed for this round. Okay.
First of all, good evening to all of you. My name is Kristi Agrawal and today I am here to present my question. My question is, please let me know about your tuition teacher. My tuition teacher name is Sambhav Jain, and he is the best tuition teacher of my life because I learned both English and English speaking and subjects in this class, and I have passed with very good marks in this coaching, and I also got first position in my classes, and I am here for 2 years, and I enjoyed a lot in both 2 years, and I learned about many things, and just like I am very improved from the English of Sambhav sir. Thank you. That's all about my answer.
Okay, thank you. Clapping for Christy. Okay, just you can go your seat. So next students I will call Atharv. Atharv, please come here.
Is there any time limit?
There is no time limit. I will choose. Okay, according to the answer.
I will choose number 2. How would you enjoy your holiday?
Okay, so you can sit here and you will do your answer. Okay.
My name is Adar.
How would you enjoy your holiday? Okay.
My name is Adar Sani and today I am answering a question. My question is how do you spend
How would you enjoy your holiday?
I enjoy my holiday by doing some work, and I do some of my artwork, and I have made so many paintings in my Sunday and in holiday. I often go to my maternal uncle's house and play with their child, and my child in their child and me also very enjoyed at that moment, and I want a holiday for so much because it gives us a lesson for our future. When we celebrate our holiday, we remember it for the last day of our life. We can improve our skills and we can develop our mental health beyond that day. This day is good for me because it gives us positivity and also very good things to do. And I like to go to temple at this day, and there are so many positive things at this day. That's all about my question.
Okay, okay. There is some little bit grammatical mistakes. Okay. Clapping for Atharv. Good performance. Okay. Next, I call the name Shrey. Shrey, please come here. Choose your slip. What's your question?
What are the extracurricular activities do you like and why?
Okay. What are the extracurricular activities do you like and why? Okay. Please sit down.
First of all, good evening to all of you. My name is Shreya Sreni, 8th standard, and today's my question is
What are the extracurricular?
what are the extracurricular activities do you like? So I like many extracurricular activities like do make waste material to a good material, like wastage of plastic and make a good useful thing, and I do also gardening, and it is also good for me, and I do also paintings. They give me a very good skills, and I also do part in my school extracurricular activities. They do a lot of things like piano, and I also like piano, football, and that's all.
Okay, good. Clapping for Shrey. Next, I call the name Harshit. Harshit, please come and choose your sticky.
3.
Okay, third number. What's your question?
How much money do you want to earn and why?
Okay, how much money do you want to earn and why? Okay, please sit down.
Good evening to all. I am Harshit Agrawal and today I am present a question. So the answer is now I am a child and in future if I have an option to earn a lot of money, so I take it. And if I have a lot of money, so first I give all the money to my parents, and I earn many useful things, and in my future I want about 20,000 rupees for the good job, by the good job. I want to become a doctor, and if I become a doctor, so I treatment the many patients, and I take it a small and I take a small quantity of money. And some patients are poor. If some patients are poor, so I don't take him money because I understand its condition. So and I do many medical camps in villages, in cities, and that's all about it.
Okay, good. Okay, you actually, okay, it's okay. Clapping for Harshit. Now we will decide. Okay, next name Ayush. Ayush, please come and choose one sticky.
So I will choose like 5.
Okay, fifth. What's your question?
Which country do you want to visit and why?
Which country do you want to visit and why? Okay.
Good evening everyone and all my dear friends. I am Ayush Mistry from spoken class of Samar Jain. So today my question is, which country do you want to visit or why and why? I want to visit Dubai because it has a lot of things and lot of places to visit. Dubai has so many places, and also Dubai has a world record, like the greatest building ever in the world.
Dubai is a country or city?
City.
City. It's a city.
Yes, a city. And the country I want to visit
UAE.
UAE. And because of it, Dubai is famous. Dubai is famous for its a great meal and great items and devices. Dubai is a place where everyone want to go. So that because I want to go. Dubai is a place where every person want to dream of job. And thank you. And my name is Ayush.
Okay, clapping for Ayush. Next student, Divyansh. Divyansh, please come and choose your slip.
Number 9.
Okay, number 9. Okay.
Would you like to carry more money or more food? Why?
Okay, would you like to carry more money or more food? Why? Okay, please sit down.
No, I don't carry more money and more food because now I am a child and I don't think in our future.
Continue, please. If you will stuck, so you will be out.
I don't know.
Okay, sorry. Okay, clapping for Divyans. Next, Sumit. Sumit, please come here. Choose your study. Okay, first one. What's your question?
Where do you want to go for trip and why?
Yes, please sit down. Where do you want to go for trip and why?
I will go in UP. UP is a very beautiful state and in places is very good. Example of Vrindavan, Vrindavan, Govardhan, etc. UP in a temple of God Ram. I will go in only UP. That's all.
Okay, clapping for Sumit also. Next, Yes Raj. Yes Raj, please come fast and choose your study.
Number 6.
Number 6. What's your question?
If you have more money, so how will you spend it?
Okay, if you have more money, so how will you spend it?
First of all, good evening to all of you and respected sir. I am Yasraj Yadav. I am presenting a question and the question is if you have more money, so how will you spend it? So if I have more money, I will spend it by buying a house and I will buy a new phone, iPhone 15 Max Pro, and then I buy many cars, and then I buy buy my useful things like my grains and vegetables, and then I buy many things, and then if the poor is want to take some money from me, so I will give there some money, and I will deposit some money to the poor, and I will do a job from my money, and then that's all.
Okay, clapping for Yes Raj. Okay, now I will give a chance to those students who are failed, and some students are absent also. Okay, okay, one student left. Okay, Divyans Tripathi. Yes, Divyans, please come. Choose one sticky. Just read question.
Would you like to travel with family alone or alone? Why?
Okay, would you like to travel with family or alone? Why? Please sit down.
First of all, good evening to all of you. My name is Divyans Tripathi and I am presenting a question. So it is dependent on the situation that where I am going or in which place I am going. So if I am going to any a big place or a very crowded place, so I will choose to go alone, because if I will go with my family or my brother or sisters, so there will be the fear of like I can be separate by them, and my siblings also can be separate by me. And if I am going to any touristable place like in Vrindavan or anywhere, so I will go with my family.
Okay, that's all. Okay, Okay, clapping for Divyans. Okay, now we have one sticky, okay, for those students who are not absent and who are failed. Okay, so I will give the chance to anyone. I will just open this sticky and who will be able to answer. Okay, just you have to raise your hand. Would you like to participate in school annual function and why? Would you like to participate in school annual function and why? Anyone? I will count by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so please come here. Your question is, would you like to participate in school annual function and why? Just start.
First of all, good evening to all. My name is Vikansh Padhyay and I'm presenting our answer of a question. My question is, would you participate in an annual function of a school? So why? Sir, so my answer is, sir, I want to participate in a school annual function because there are many other activities to learn, and this is very good for our physical and mental health, and this is very enjoying many times, and we can enjoy more than other days. That's all, sir.
That's all. Okay, so you can go your seat. Okay, now the result is here. So in third round, how many students passed? I just call the name. Okay, so just you have to clapping for those students who passed for this round. Okay, third round. First, Christy. Clapping for Christy. Christy passed the third round. And second one, Athar. Athar passed the third round. Shrey. Harshit. Yasraj. And one, Satyans. Okay, so these students passed for round 4. Okay, so we will do something new in round 4. Okay, we will decide. Okay, so goodbye.